Bienvenido!
Hello again.
Like our little family here.
Well,
One of our
it.
children.
Yeah.
One of our fur babies. Amaru.
This is Amaru.
She's a Mexican puppy.
Oh.
Oh.
It's been a week, and we are finally taking our new kayak out. We're very excited. We're just going to kind of putt around the bay and get a feel for it. And, yeah.
We promised you a name in our last
Oh,
video.
yeah.
We have decided, well, first of all, let me ask, do we have any Matrix fans? One, maybe two, you know? It's a you know, probably not well-known movie, you know, didn't get a lot of thumbs up. Just kidding. So, you want to tell them what the name is?
The way you're downplaying it, like, oh, it's just a reference to this little old film. You've probably never heard of it. It's just, you know, this piece of cinema called The Matrix. Yeah, so inspired by The Matrix, we decided to name our kayak Los Logos, which is Spanish for the Logos, which is Latin for, well, Logos is Latin for logic, I guess. But it is the name of the ship that Trinity and Neo fly to Machine City in the Matrix Revolutions, which I thought was super neat.
Yeah, getting the one to the final battle. Was it like the resolution?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, but it's kind of romantic.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Well, also, so this is kind of neat. So the ocean is chaos, and we're all just there's a thin layer of separation between your life and chaos, and being a logical person will help you navigate the chaos of the world. So we're literally floating on the Logos to keep us safe from chaos. Which I thought was kind of neat.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Yeah. Anyway, we're going to load up. We're gonna push off for our inaugural float. Over there, and I don't know if you can see it. Hang on. Yeah, like over there, the white lines along the shore, that is La Paz. And yeah, we're just gonna go hang out with the pelicans for a little bit. Yeah. Holy shit, that was so fucking cool.
Yeah,
Wait,
this.
Can we say that? Can I? Sorry, guys. It was so freaking cool. Holy cow.
Holy guacamole.
Very topical.
Dude,
she's the marketing expert.
The kayak is dope.
Yeah, it's got flippers on the bottom.
You can really choose your workout if you want to do upper or lower body that day.
Yeah.
You get some core work too. It's incredible. And, you know, once you get going with the pedals at least, dude, you're flying. Yeah,
the pedals, we were amazed. We're way faster with the pedals than we are with the oars.
Yep. And it comes with a rudder too, so all you have to do is put the rudder in the water, you know, plan where you want to go, and go.
I like the sound of, phonetically, of get the rudder in the water. Let's show you guys where we're at. How do I do this? That button? That button? That button? No? Oh. It won't let me switch mid.
Wait, that doesn't make sense.
I thought I could. Okay, so I'm not entirely sure where we're at right now, but we started someplace way over there. And now we're here. And it's so fucking cool. Sorry, I did it again. It's so freaking cool. Over there is La Paz. And yeah, pretty mountains and stuff.
Further down that way, you go to the
Pinchalinque or something. Pinchalinque? Pinchalinque?
yeah, that sounds right.
Oh, Pinchalinque. I'll pinch your link, eh? Oh. Dad jokes forever. Yeah, we're having so much fun. All right, so it was kind of a day for
Day of learning.
persevering through adversity. We're filming you on or filming ourselves rather, using my phone right now because our battery got stuck in our Nikon, and yeah, we learned a lot about our used kayak. Found some things that were wrong with it that we're going to look into. It seems like the tension on the rudder isn't very good. So there was one time real bad where we were just kind of going in circles. It was like a bad movie, and Cassandra just started steering the rudder with her hand, and then also one of Cassandra's flippers is fucked up, and we almost lost it on the way here, or on the way back rather.
Almost fell right off.
Yeah, but it was fun. Let me show you guys what the scenery looks like right now. This is us back in El Centenario. And I think way off that little bit of land you can see right there, I think that's pretty much where we were at. No idea how far away that is. We'll try to figure that out once we get home.
Bienvenido. That's not it's the same way.
Okay.
Bienvenido.
Bienvenido, mi amigos! Like that?
That's a little too much.
Where's the baby Grandmaster Baby Bear just right?
I don't know how far out can I go?
I don't know.
Let's delete it.
I thought it was funny.
Yeah.
Your butt looks so cute in the jeans.
Thank you.